Yes, my dear students, today we will start the 12th chapter, that is literary terms. Which chapter? Literary terms. Now first of all I will tell you what is the meaning of literary terms. Literary terms refers to the technique, style and formatting used by the writer. Literary terms refers to the technique, style and formatting used by the writers and speakers to masterfully emphasize and embellish or strengthen their compositions. Literary terms can refer to playful techniques employed by comedians to make us laugh. Laughter show you are seeing. There are so many comedies they are showing, and we people are just watching and laughing. Same as it is. Okay. Who is the hero, writer? Like this, we have to write the name in this chapter. We have to identify. First of all, we have to identify. Okay. Or witty tricks wordsmith used to coin new words or phrases. Now in book, identify these literary terms. First one, a long narrative poem on a great and serious subject. One poem and it is written on the serious subject. Epic, E-P-I-C, epic. Now the second one is the main character in a work of fiction. Main character in a work of fictions, in the film story or in a dancer. Who is the main character? Hero. H-E-R-O, hero. Now third one is the story of one's own life. The story of one's own life, खुद की लाइफ में. Autobiography. You have seen the famous hero or actress, they are giving the autobiography, na? That one. A conversation between character. Dialogue. Fifth one is a speaker, character who tells a story. Anybody speaker or a character who is telling a story. Who is that? Narrator. A made up story. Fiction. Now seventh one is a repetitions of initial consonant sound in series of words near each other. Alliterations. A brief story about an interesting or strange event. Anecdote. Ninth one, a literary works in which the style of another author is closely imitated. Parody. Now the last one is the high point of interest or suspense in a story is climax. Once again, shall I repeat? A long narrative poem on a great and serious subject is epic. The main character in a work of fiction is hero. The story of one's own life is autobiography. A conversations between characters, dialogue. A speaker or a character who tells a story is a narrator. A made up story is fiction. A repetitions of initial constant sound in a series of words near each other is alliteration. A brief story about an interesting or a strange event is anecdote. A literary works in which the style of another author is closely imitated is parody. Now the last one is the high point of interest or a suspense in a story is climax. Clear, students? Thank you.